Hello everyone and welcome to our video about how to improve your digestive system. In this video, we will share some helpful tips and strategies to help you maintain a healthy and efficient digestive system. Tip #1. Chew your food properly. 1 minute. Chewing your food properly is the first step in improving your digestion. When you chew your food well, it helps break it down into smaller pieces, making it easier for your digestive system to process. Also, chewing releases digestive enzymes in your saliva that aid in digestion. So take your time when you eat and make sure to chew each bite thoroughly. Tip #2. Stay hydrated. 1 minute. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Water helps to soften the stool and aids in the elimination process. Dehydration can cause constipation and make it difficult for the food to move through the digestive tract. So, make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Tip #3. Eat a balanced diet. 1 minute. A balanced diet is essential for good digestion. Make sure your meals contain a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Avoid processed foods, high in saturated and trans fats and added sugars. These foods can cause inflammation in the gut, leading to digestive problems. Tip #4. Exercise regularly. 1 minute. Regular exercise can also help improve your digestive system. Exercise stimulates the muscles in your intestines, which helps move food through the digestive tract. It also helps to reduce stress, which can affect your digestion. So, aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise every day. Tip #5. Reduce stress. 1 minute. Stress can cause digestive problems like indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Practicing relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help reduce stress and improve your digestion. Make time for activities that help you relax and de-stress. Conclusion: 30 seconds. In summary, improving your digestive system requires a combination of healthy habits like chewing your food properly, staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and reducing stress. By implementing these tips, you can improve your digestive system and enjoy better overall health. Thank you for watching.